Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA at ngayong araw pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga basic skills na kailangan mo para maging isang virtual assistant. So kung gusto mo maging virtual assistant pero iniisip mo na wala ka pang skills, then this video is for you kasi ang totoo is hindi mo kailangan ng advanced na skills para magsimula. And you only need the basic skills to start working as a VA and then you learn while working. So, yung common belief natin is kailangan maging expert ka sa tech to be a virtual assistant. Kailangan marami kang tools na alam para maging successful ka sa VA. Pero yung reality is yung entry-level VA na mga tasks are simple and yung kailangan mo lang naman talaga gawin is kailangan mo lang intindihin ng mabuti kung ano yung mga instructions sa iyo ng client mo. And preferably pag merong mga training na ginagawa sa iyo yung client mo, always ask to take a video recording of the training session para if ever you forget about something, you can always go back to it. So like me, 'di ba? Marami pa ring additional na mga tasks yung binibigay yung client ko sa akin and we hop on calls especially if merong mga bagay na kailangan naming ah pag-trainingan. So, kung kailangan namin undergo ng training, tumatawag sa akin yung client ko. And always before we start the training session, tinatanong ko talaga yung client ko na, "Is it fine if we take a recording of this call para if so I can review it later?" So, always okay naman yung client ko dun sa'kin. And, ayun dapat before ka mag-record ng training session mo, you always have to ask permission from your client. Don't just record without saying anything. Kailangan mo makuha at least yung consent nila. And ayun nga, 'pag nagti-training nga kami ng client ko, yung client ko na before mag-start yung training namin, yung client ko na mismo yung nagtatanong sa akin kung, "Do you want to record this call?" And ayun, nag-i-yes na lang ako. So medyo matagal na rin kasi kami ng client ko and medyo close na kami. So medyo kilala niya na rin ako. So ayun, let's proceed. So skill number one na kailangan mo is communication. So kailangan makapag-communicate ka effectively with your client. You need to write clear messages. So kung meron ka mga messages sa client mo, kailangan sulat mo ng clear and understandable way for them. And you have to reply professionally. So if meron silang mga task na binigay sa iyo or meron silang mga tanong sa iyo, so you always have to reply professionally. And third, you have to understand instructions. So it's part of communication kasi pag merong mga instructions na binibigay sa yung client mo, so you have to understand it and you have to consume it para mas maintindihan mo kung ano yung binibigay nila sa iyo. What's important is yung mga client, they care more about clarity than perfect English. So mas importante sa kanila yung clarity and communication or in communicating. Skill number two, basic computer skills. So, when it comes to basic computer skills, what I mean by that is you have to know email handling. You have to learn email handling. So, I think lahat naman tayo or almost lahat na tayo meron ng mga email. So, definitely marunong ka mag-handle ng email mo. Pero you have to learn more about that. Like how you mark emails, kung ano yung mga important, and then how you label them. If nagre-request yung client mo na i-label mo sila. So, email handling, you can easily learn that via Google search or YouTube video. And second, you have to know how to use Google Docs or Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Ayan. So, mga basic na mga tools na kailangan mong pag-aralan. So, those things you can also learn that via YouTube or via Google. And then third, file organization. So, kailangan marunong ka mag-organize ng file. I-rename mo sila ng mas maganda, ng mas understandable na pag tinignan mo yung isang file, alam mo na agad na para dito yung file na yun. So, If you can use basic applications, then you can start working as a VA. Skill number three, research skills. So, dapat marunong ka maghanap ng mga information online. So, let's say merong hinihingi sa yung client mo. So, you have to research it on Google and then you have to find it on different websites. Check mo kung nandun pa yung info na hinahanap mo. And hindi lang isang source yung paghahanapan mo. And you have to summarize the data. So, kung ano yung data na nakuha mo from your research, have to summarize it in a way na easy na para sa client mo to consume it. And then, following instructions. So, kung ano yung mga information na hinahanap niya, so you have to follow it and then ibigay mo sa kanya kung ano lang yung mga info na hinanap niya. And so, ayun, VA work is mostly about structured na mga tasks and hindi complex na mga technical work. Skill number 4, time management. So, dapat marunong ka mag-manage ng time mo on how you will allocate it on specific tasks and ano yung mga dapat gawin mo, ano yung mga dapat i-prioritize mo. So, dapat consistent ka with your time management para lahat ng tasks mo is nako-complete mo siya earlier than the deadline or you're meeting it on the deadline. So, ayun nga, dapat ma-meet mo yung mga deadline on your tasks. Dapat consistent ka on meeting your or managing your time. And then you have to learn how to prioritize tasks. So dapat alam mo yung mga task na priority na dapat mo unahin and ano yung mga task na pwede mong set aside muna and then you can finish later. So you don't need to be fast when it comes to this. You just need to be consistent. And that's it for skill number 4. And let's move on to skill number 5, which is willingness to learn. So, dapat willing kang mag-learn ng different things like different processes, different applications, different softwares, and different tools. So, pag merong mga bagong tools na sinasuggest sa yung client mo, take a look at those tools and say, like sabihin mo kung ano yung opinion mo and then also have to adapt sa mga tools na ginagamit ng client mo. So, kung merong gusto niya magpalit ng tools or gusto niya magpalit ng software. So, you can definitely learn that on YouTube or Google or pwede rin i-train ka niya. Pero, of course, you can learn any tool over time. Lahat naman ng tools pwede mong matutunan eh. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is kailangan mo lang maging willing na matutunan yon and then you just have to give it time dahil hindi mo naman matututunan lahat ng bagay sa ilang oras or ilang araw lang. So, if you're using a tool like every day, it's inevitable matututunan mo talaga yung tools na yun kahit ano pa yan. So, be open to learning anything. Kasi yung attitude mo nagmamatter siya more than your skill level. So, ito reality check lang kung ano yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan pa. So, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng advance na mga editing skills. So, at least meron ka ng basic na mga editing skills like nag-edit ka ng picture mo para sa Facebook, para sa Instagram, para sa TikTok, using Canva or CapCut or any basic apps. So, you don't really need to have an advanced na mga editing skills. Also, you don't need coding skills, like especially if you're working as or if you're aiming for admin works or admin jobs, so you definitely don't need that. And then, hindi mo kailangan matuto ng complex automation. So, ngayon, sobrang uso na yung automation and automating your tasks. Pero when you're just starting out, especially if admin works or back office works, you don't need to learn about complex automation. And karamihan naman ng mga skills is natututunan mo siya after you get the job or while you're doing the job. Dahil hindi mo naman matututunan yung isang bagay, especially if ano lang, if pinapanood mo lang. So, depende pa rin sa'yo kung ano yung preferred mo na learning method. Pero for me, I learn better when I'm already doing something. Habang ginagawa ko na siya, mas natututunan. Kasi para sa akin, pag pinapanood ko lang siya is mabilis ko siyang or nakakalimutan ko yung ibang mga part. Pero pag ginagawa ko na siya, especially if routinely ko na siya ginagawa is mas nagiging better ako and nakakabisado ko na yung process. So ayun, tandaan mo karamihan ng mga skills mo makukuha mo yan while you're doing the job na, hindi before you get the job. Okay? So again, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA and see you sa next video. Peace out.